Well, good, beautiful morning. I am so glad you joined me today. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today we're working on week 51 of Margarete Miller's collage assignments. And we need something we see or do on vacation. Now, when I'm on vacation, I like to take my grandchildren to some public gardens or trails and go for a walk and hopefully see a little bit of wildlife. So this background here is part of this beautiful Portland Japanese garden calendar. I wish I could go there. It looks like such a beautiful place. I mean, look at some of these places. Oh, gorgeous. So that's where I would want to go on vacation. Used to be, when I was younger, it would be the beach, but now it's more like mountains and gardens and woods. I am not going to use a crossword puzzle. I actually know I have one somewhere, but I can't find it, so I'm not going to use that. My geometric shape and something folded, which is the bonus, is going to be this little pocket that I've made out of dried tea bag. And I'm going to put this in here, but the first thing I'm also going to do is put the number on here, and inside I'm going to draw a star because that is another geometric shape, right? And I think I'll also draw a parallelogram, and this is a secret message that's up in the trees. For hikers. So that's going to go there like that. And I think I'll just go ahead and glue down my background, and then we'll glue down everything else. This is actually a sticker that I cut the white parts off of. I can put this away. Always losing my pens and pencils. So let's get that out of the way. I just think this is so beautiful. I would love, truly love to go to that place on my vacation. Anytime we have a day off or time we go for a little hike in the woods. It's not quite as beautiful as this, though. We've tried to make our backyard kind of like that. It's not as gorgeous as that, but you know, we have our gardens and our waterfall, our little pond that has a little waterfall in it. You know, very rudimentary, very amateurly done, but we love it. Okay, so there's that. That's my background. This is supposed to represent me and a grandchild. So we'll put them down on the steps. So what would you like to do if you were on vacation? Where do you like to go when you go on vacation? Okay, let's put her here. And we'll put the girl over here. We like to get dressed up when we go for a walk in the woods. Maybe it's a Sunday afternoon after church or something like that. There. Although I don't actually go to church, my granddaughter does go to church. I am a Christian, but I do not go to church, and maybe someday I'll talk about that. But it's not really what my channel is about. Now for this, I'm just going to put a little double-sided tape on here to hold it together. Where's my ending? Right there. And attach it. So that's looking like it might be too big. Okay. So we'll put this here. And hopefully, oh yeah, there's plenty of room for that. Okay. This side here. Take the edges off. And maybe I'll just trim this out just a teensy bit. I think this side is a little bigger. So there. we'll take this off. Actually, I think I'll put some on the back too before I start taking it all off. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes this Dollar Tree tape doesn't separate as well as I would like it to. Alright, so that's going to go right over here. And now I'm going to take this part off. Yeah, that one's not coming. That one's not coming either. We'll get it. We'll get it. Don't you worry. Alright, so there's my little dried tea bag envelope. This is my they're both folded, so that's something folded. And I'm going to put the secret message. Uh-oh, what did I do? Should be fitting in there. There. Okay. I thought I glued it shut in the wrong spot there for a minute. It was just hard to get it in. So that's that. Got them glued on. Oh, my little fox. Mustn't forget the little fox. He's going to be... Oh, I kind of put him in her in the spot where the fox was going to go. Now I have to find a spot for the fox. And I have to get the packing off. There. Alright, so I think what we'll do is... Oh, that's not what I wanted to do, actually. We'll just have him... Ugh. I guess he'll just be sitting down here at the bottom of the steps. There. He's a friendly fox, because he sees us all the time. We like to walk in the woods a lot, and he's become our friend. So let's make sure we have everything. What we like to see or do on vacation is go for a walk in a beautiful garden. We're skipping the puzzle, crossword puzzle. We've got, the background is also a portion of the calendar. The geometric shapes are the star and actually the label and the parallelogram inside that. And this is the dried tea bag. And these are both folded. So that's everything. Thanks so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you again next time for the very last one of the year. Bye-bye.